That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Angle it. We're going to have to rip one side to the side.
Yeah.
He's clear over here. Oh, he knows what he's doing. Oh, he knows how to angle out of buildings. You've done it once or twice. I like it. Oh, it's you kitty corner, just like you're doing moving, but you do it with a forklift. Yeah, he's done it before. You're good. He'll do one more adjustment and he'll be clear on the next cut. Yeah. And now you're completely clear now, look.